what I was expecting. My guest too from America was asking for cake, and I was like, okay, let's cut the cake. Well, I got a rude awakening. In Jamaica, the cake is just for us. We share the cake with each other, but we swap it out through our mouths. Y'all, I didn't know that, but it was fun. It was cute. It was nice. So he puts the cake in his mouth, and you know, the person on the mic. Oh, we did have a MC. We had an MC. She did phenomenal. So she was, you know, getting the crowd all revved up about how we're gonna feed each other cake. So fun. It was kind of romantic, but it was also funny, like just doing it. So he puts his cake in his mouth and he kisses me and we swap the cake. I know it sounds kind of gross, but it's tradition. And like I said, it's actually sweet and intimate. Guys, if you've heard of that, let me know in the comments. Like, tell me, did you do this at your wedding? Would you do this at your wedding?